this is my zipper. It's a removable zipper. So watch how I'm going to position it. This is the front part, which will be on this side. So you just check how it's going to be under your clothes. Can you see this? Make sure the metal doesn't pass upward. Then I'm going to put it in here. Can you see? This is the way it should be. This is the way it should be. Can you see this side? Can you bring it closer? This is the way it should be. So this is the side. So I've checked it. Then I will now fix it, sew it under with the machine. The first sewing is to fasten it. The first sewing is to fasten it to the clothes. The target is not to bring it closer. I'm trailing the zipper allowance. Look at the zipper allowance line. So I'm just putting it. So this is the first sewing. I'll sew the other side too. This is the side that has the hook. Can you see the hook? So I'm going to position it too. This is the way it's going to be when it is under the cloth. So if you know any other way of sewing your zipper, you can as well go ahead to sew it like that. But this is one way that I know is very simple. Is fasten your zipper from the back. You can see that I'm still trailing the okay, you can see now. So I've sewn the two zipper on the two sides of the blouse. Yes, my own zipper, the blouse zipper, didn't get to the edge of the flare, which is okay. It's a style. It will make it look as if it has a slit. You understand? So what I do after fastening it the first time, I'll check if everything is straight. I'll check if everything is straight. You can see the lower part is straight, the mid part too is equal, then the edge at the front is equal. So now that I'm sure that the zipper is okay, I will now put the second stitches that will bring it closer. So fixing your invisible zipper, it actually involves 2 stitches. Make sure it doesn't, your needle does not climb the zipper. So this one is a closer stitch, and I have to make sure that my needle does not climb. Okay, so I'll go and do the second side too. So I'm doing the second side. You have to do it gently so the needle will not climb the zipper. So I've done the 2. I've brought my sewing closer now. You can see the 2 stitches. So I'll zip it back. Fixing the zipper is not that difficult depending on the machine you are using. Depending on the machine you are using. Can you see it? Very good. You can see it is now tighter than it was before, which is very, very, very